Hey guys, what's up? It's B-Town. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, how you doing? Glad to see you're here. Glad to see that you're watching the videos and you're already a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that button and make sure to like and comment on the video. Show us what you want for future updates. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. First off, one of the very first tips that I can give you in growing your YouTube channel is to clean up your channel. I actually went through today and I deleted all of my old videos. I deleted most of my live streams. I deleted all the videos that aren't relevant to today. I had videos from like Fallout 76 and so on and so forth. The reason being is when people watch your videos, they'll watch a video and then they go and they check out your other content. So when they're checking out your other content, you want to make sure that that content that they're checking out is actually worth watching. That's going to help people subscribe to your channel. If you have a bunch of bad videos that maybe when you first started out you were just putting out, or my basic live streams that aren't edited, I got rid of those because I don't want people to see those anymore. I want them to see the new YouTube channel and how I do everything. So that's my first tip, is to delete all of your old stuff that you're not using anymore. You can even make it unlisted and you don't have to delete it forever if you'd like. So as far as that goes, that's your first tip. The second tip is what I would like you guys to do, which is watch this entire video for the full length and get all 6 or 7 of my tips. Actually, what that does is it shows YouTube that you actually have people watching your videos and that the people are engaged with your videos. Now you can people are not always going to watch all of your videos. A good target is like 60%. So if somebody watches, say, until now in my video, that would be a good target for me. So they've watched about 50%. Well, actually right now it's only probably like 30%. So keep watching, don't go nowhere. We got some more tips coming up for you. But that's a really good tip. You want people to stay. You want people to watch. Talk during your whole video. Keep your audience engaged. I know this isn't the best gameplay. It's just me looting. I just wanted something basic. But what is supposed to keep you here is the information I'm giving you. Thirdly, is to try to keep your videos under 5 minutes. I'm going to try to keep this video under 5 minutes. I don't know if that's going to happen with all the tips. We're probably going to go over that just a little bit. Don't just have 1 minute of silence in your videos and not talking to your audience and keeping them engaged. Also, I want to remind y'all, if you're still watching, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. We really could use subscribers. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Now, the third tip is to make playlists for your videos. So what this means is when you have, like, say, Call of Duty videos, for me, for instance, I have a playlist of Call of Duty videos. I also have a playlist of YouTube's tricks and how to grow your channel. So I have a different playlist for each of those genres of my videos in my channel. So always make playlists, because if somebody's watching this video and the video ends, they're gonna automatically go to my next video and they're gonna be watching my next video. So that's a major thing that helps. Don't just let the fourth tip is to not let YouTube pick a thumbnail. Always create a custom thumbnail. I use Cover Photo Maker on Android or iOS. You can download it from the App Store, and it really helps me make cover photos that are engaging and that will actually bring audience to me. And I really believe that's a great way to get viewers and get subscribers, is by making your custom thumbnails. Now, the sixth tip is to optimize your YouTube channel for search. So basically, if you go into advanced setting on YouTube, you can optimize your YouTube channel to where if people search for your name will pop up. Because if you don't do that and somebody's not subscribed, they watch a video, they come back, they want to watch more videos, they're not going to see your actual name come up in the video as a channel. They're not going to see it. I did it myself today. I finally set it up and I got it where I turn up like 5th in the list. If you search B-Town right now, you'll see me about 5th way down the list. There's a couple, looks like musicians above me, but it is what it is. Last but seriously not least is what I've done twice already in this video. Ask people to subscribe. When people are watching videos, they're not always thinking about whether or not they're subscribing to your videos. They're not thinking about if they're giving you the likes that you need on your videos. They're not commenting on your videos. And if you remember, I did ask you to like and comment on the videos, show me what you want to see in the future, things like that. So that's my very last tip, and I think that is the most important tip, because ultimately a view is good, but a subscriber is 10 times better, because subscribers are what makes you money, because they keep coming back, they keep viewing your videos, they give your channel access, and they get you out there. But that's about all the tips I have for you guys today. So to recap on that, you want to clean up your channel, ask people to watch the whole video, keep them engaged. Try to keep your videos under 5 minutes, which we failed to do in this video, but we're making a list. Make playlists of your videos so people will automatically start watching your next video when one ends. Don't let YouTube pick the thumbnail. Make those custom thumbnails. If you have comments or you need questions about that, I can give a link to the cover photo maker I use in the comments for you guys to use as well. Optimize for search and advanced settings, like put in your channel name as one of your keywords. Put in Modern Warfare as one of your keywords if you're a gamer. Put in cooking if you make cooking videos. However you want to do it, just make sure that you get that optimized for search. And then last but seriously not least, like I said, always remember to subscribe. If you guys are still watching this and you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. I do put out new content daily. Some of it is just gameplay, just Modern Warfare, but also I put out videos like this to help you grow as a YouTuber and help your channel grow and prosper to where ultimately you're making money from YouTube. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day and have a great week. I hope everybody's staying safe, practicing social distancing, and enjoy the rest of your day. And thank you for coming back to B-Town. Bye.